And we were talking about this yesterday. What should have happened after slavery, both in the United States of America and throughout the Caribbean and all of South America, should have been exactly what happened in Haiti. We're talking about a complete overhaul of the anti-African, anti-indigenous American Slavocracy, right? Unfortunately, that's not what happened in most of these places outside of Haiti. What occurred was people fighting for the opportunity to replace the European colonizers at the top of the social hierarchy. So now it's no longer, all right, we kicked the British out, or we kicked the Spanish out, or we kicked the French or the Dutch out. But now we're not looking to return to the same values that were sustaining us as a people prior to the British, the Dutch, the French, Spanish coming around. And that was the traditional African culture. That's what the Rastafari is all about. That's what the brother was telling me the other night when we were sitting down and he was talking. It was like that